Hi everyone, this is Kenya Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Barda compilation. Mami, hindi tayo tapos. Marami pa tayong asikasuhin, marami pa tayong isustok sa kanila for today's video. Wala pa tayo sa mga stories. Sinusuyod ko lang dito talaga ngayon yung sa, what do you call this? Yung sa TikTok. Tapos lipat tayo mga mami sa, what do you call this? Sa Instagram and Facebook. So in one second longer, let's start this reaction video. Oh, linaya la. Tsaka ito talaga yung nilalayag nila. Akala ko ba walang project? Jim, hindi mo to binalita? Bakit? Selective talaga to si Jim, no? Sa bagay, puro negatibo kasi talaga yung pinipili niya, Kompleto na dahil sa iyo. Wala na. Charis, kompleto na nga ang buhay ng Ginoo. Dahil daw sa kanya. Oh, ay... Fresh from Choco. Eh, bago lang to Bagong upload to.
Filipino Christmas is most often than not happy, noisy, and a bit emotional. Without spoiling anything, without giving a bit too much,
Okay.
what part of the series feels very Paskong Pinoy for the both of you?
Ganda talaga ni Barbie.
Well, as much as Christmas is very much a family thing.
Excited
very
na akong
intimate,
mag-ano.
very personal. It's
What do you call this?
The holiday that everyone really looks forward to.
Ay, Englishera, no? Excited na ako sa Instagram and sa Facebook kasi feeling ko marami sa Facebook eh.
The employees, the ones working during the holidays, may tumatango. During the holidays, we have to really push the sales. And so,
Yes,
I don't know,
actually.
maybe the bosses tend to forget that we're humans too, you know? We need to celebrate
Uy.
our families. And so, but then, behind all that, my character would...
Behind all that, babae siya doon.
Unexpected, but very exciting to be with.
Behind all that, ay, actually,
I'm working together.
tama ba?
Grew up in the 2010s.
Ganda ni Barbie.
I really wanted to get Barbie.
Ay, ito mas malakas.
Get to know Barbie as a person. Kasi kailangan ko siya bilang artista. Magaling siya. Importante
Okay.
sa akin na makilala ko yung mga importante siya sa akin. And I found simple, down to earth, sa senior ko. Oo. Yun. So, sana naman.
Wait lang, ha?
Hindi ko naman naramdaman. Oo. Kasi yan ang sinasabi ko. Hindi naman. Tapos, wala lang. Ang gaan eh. Magaan talaga magaan sa set. Alam niyo ba?
Gawa ni Nina yan. Sabi niya
Ah.
ako daw yan eh.
Ganda nito Sabi ni Nina, ikaw to.
Sino to?
Talaga, ako yan. Ako yan eh. Pero, teka lang. Kasi, sabi niya, two-faced daw ako. Tsaka, tignan mo yan. Dalawa yung ulo ko, dalawa yung leg ko. Bakit
Two-faced?
ganun? Ano ba yung two-faced?
Oh my God. Ay, si Derek. Hala, ang gwapo ni Derek. Ang gwapo ni Derek dito.
Okay, yung two-face, ibig sabihin nun, sinungaling ka daw. Iba yung pinapakita mo sa totoong intensyon mo. Yun.
Ganun pala yun.
Yes, ganun.
Bakit, Karen? Magkaaway ba kayo?
Ngayon, magkaaway na kami.
Ay.
Sira, Karen! Two-faced.
Kung batang to, kanina ko pa hinahanap, nandito lang pala. Karen! Halika na, this is it. Magdi-DNA na tayo, halika na!
Love can change you for the better or for worse. Diba? It can make you become the better version of yourself. It can also disrupt you. Hindi ba? Love can forbid. Diba?
Love can forbid. Na
who
para
you
bang may
are.
pinagdadaanan.
Pero,
Charay.
sa sobrang powerful
Pero
ng
masaya
power
naman.
ng love, dun mabubuo yung parang deeper understanding of life. Hindi po ba? Na parang love can really change you as a person and the world if we're really going super vague about it, diba? Pagmamahal, feeling ko ang kailangan ng lahat to change the world. Love for equality, diba? Love for
Love that.
the
Ay. Ay, yes. Matagal na ito. Oh. David Licauco. Masaya ang baby. I love it. Hindi ko na nakikita yung ano ha, yung nag-I love you sila kahapon. Bakit hindi ko na nakita, ma'am? Parang, ay, ayan, nakita ko yung kahapon. Okay. Sino to? Ang gwapo naman ito. Hala, ang gwapo nito. Oh my God, ang gwapo ng pinsan ni David. Cutie, oh. Kamukha ni Ate Ellen. Kamukha ni Ate Ellen. Kamukha ni Ate Ellen yun. Ay, Enchong di Paskong Pinoy. Ay, ito. Paano delete natin? Paano delete natin? Ay, sana all. Gaya-gaya po tumaya. Ganun ba yun, Bibi? Ay, sana all. Pagod ako. At alam mo ako pakalmahin. Ganon! Charis! Ay, taray. Concern naman pala. Inaalagaan naman pala. Charis! Ay, taray. Gabi naman ang energy. Hey, I love you. Anyways, hindi pa tapos. I love you. Ano, mahina pa din yung signal. Hindi talaga ako makaget over dyan, me. Sa totoo lang. Anyways, that is all for today's video from Barda Compilation. This is Kijibo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!